Yep.
Welcome back.
Say we got a mining kit.
We got a mining kit. Let's hope that we find a golden creeper. In the water for 30 seconds. Is it done?
Not yet. Got a hammer just in case. Okay, pull it out.
Time to mine legs. I want to do it.
Okay, that's not working. Get the hammer.
Dad, Dad, make it in slow-mo. Okay, Dad? Dad, make
Gotta hit it harder.
Let me try. Dad, say slow-mo.
Don't hit yourself. Need some help?
I think this is Steve.
Oh, I see it too.
That's not gold.
That's not gold. You want me to give it a whack?
Yeah. I want to do it.
Here. Let me try. Let me see.
I picked up. You did this. Steve.
Let me see. Alright, not today. No gold creeper today.
And no good SpongeBob popsicle. Alright. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. We'll see you the next day. I'm not here.